Railways is continuously on its mission to improve the technology and also the amenities that is provided to the passengers. And to begin with that mission, in one of the recent missions which has started is to improve the quality of the bedrolls and the providable items that are given to the passengers who are traveling from the personalized coaches. And to share more information on what is going to be the recent changes in that is Northern Railway CPRO हिमांशु शेखर उपाध्याय joining me right now. सर, इंडियन रेलवेज में जो बेडशीट हैं, जो लिनन के कवर्स हैं, उनको लेकर हमेशा सवाल उठता है कि इनकी सफाई को लेकर विवाद भी आते हैं, काफ़ी कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं, पर इस समय जो इंडियन रेलवेज है उसके जो रीसेंट चेंजेस हुए हैं, जो रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स हैं, उसमें ऐसी क्या चीज़ों के तहत बदलाव होने वाला है जिसमें हमें पैसेंजर्स को बेटर फैसिलिटी मिलेगी?
See, there are two parts of our bedroll. Number one is linen part, cotton part, and number two is woolen part. So the cotton part is called linen set, which includes linen sheet, hand towel, and pillow cover. It is cleaned after every use in our mechanized laundries, which are equipped with CCTV surveillance. Apart from that, our officers frequently do conduct surprise inspections so as to ensure quality, and finally, after cleaning, they are tested on vitometer. After getting passed from that test, vitometer test, these linens are supplied to the passengers. So now we are doing a different thing. We have started a pilot project for providing better linen sheets and blankets to the passengers. Improved BIS standards. According to the improved BIS standards, we are doing a pilot project. We are providing improved linens which are of superior quality, better dimension to the trains Rajdhani, Duranto, Tejas, and AC special, full AC special trains originating or maintained from Northern Railway. This is a pilot project, and after gaining experience, we'll expand it to other trains also. And when we are talking about blanket part, before 2010, blankets were cleaned after 2-3 months frequency, on a 2-3 months frequency. But now we have a mandate to clean blankets after every 15 days. Every 15 days. And where there is some logistical issues, I mean exceptional conditions, linen must, blanket must be cleaned within a month. Apart from that, Northern Railway is doing naphthalene hot air sanitization, sterilization on every 15 days so as to ensure better and hygienic blankets to the passengers. Apart from this, we are doing a pilot project. We are on a pilot project for UV sanitization of blankets after every round trip. Suppose Dibrugarh Rajdhani, which goes from New Delhi to Dibrugarh and comes back from there to Delhi, this is a round trip. So the blanket will be cleaned after every round trip with the method of UV sanitization. This is a pilot project which we are doing on 2 Rajdhani trains, Jammu Rajdhani and Dibrugarh Rajdhani. And after gaining experience of this pilot project, we'll decide how to go ahead for other trains.
Is there an expected date that passengers can actually look forward to by when the pilot project can be put into place?
See, it has just started, and it takes sufficient time or a sizable time to collect data. On the basis of that data, that experience, we'll try to decide how to go ahead.
After this gets a successful pilot training, then it can be also expanded to other lines as well.
Yes, definitely.
And right now the winter season has approached, and often there is a talk about how to minimize more train accidents in the light of the fog that has in fact hit many areas where in fact train lines are there. So in that regard, how Railways is planning to be more advanced when we talk about the fog that is in fact increasingly and dipping the visibility at this point of time?
See, accidents due to fog or accidents due to low visibility during fog are old stories now. For last 10 years, Railways has invested so much on our infrastructure, and we have worked in northern, especially Northern Railway, has worked so much in this field that train operation during foggy weather, I can say, is far safer now. So what we are doing is first of all we are counseling our field staff, frontline staff, on rules related to foggy weather train operations. Apart from that, we are doing line marking before the signals, and we are putting retroreflective strips just before the signals, so that it gets shined as the lights approaches. It gets shined, and the driver comes to know that my signal is coming. And there is a new thing that we have introduced a couple of years ago, that is FogSafe device. This short form is FSD. This is a Google mapping quadrant based setup which identifies a particular signal around 700-800 meters before arriving that signal, and it just informs the driver that this signal is going to arrive, is going to come. So the driver becomes alert and drives his train more safely. So you can see there are delays in the trains due to poor visibility. But we have to bear with it, because in foggy weather especially, safety is our prime priority.
Safety is the prime priority, and in the effort to reduce the accidents and also to enhance the efficiency of the transport of the Indian Railways, a much concentrated and deliberate effort has been made. This is Simran with video journalist Avdesh for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.